all technology.
It is. It's savers in so many ways.
Right. Now these speaker wires are going to be way too long for you because you have tiny ears, and it's the only size I have in right now for the strength that we need for you. So these are going to be ridiculously too long. Oh, not too bad.
I can't even see them.
I love these because they are really discreet.
Is that what you have?
Yes.
My God, you can't even see them. All I can see are those holes in your ears. Maybe that's what caused it.
God.
Okay, so you
It's
should be
true,
able to
I don't
hear
even
a
see
little bit
them.
of a difference. A little bit brighter.
Oh.
Oh.
Okay, it's hug time, Zach.
Here you go.
Can you hear my voice? Oh.
Oh.
Hopefully that's a good thing.
Hooray!
Okay. So they help?
Oh, big
Now-
time. Yeah.
Does she just wear them out and about and then tell you if they work, or you just know these are the ones?
These are like the premium.
Oh, you can hear again.
Awesome. These are awesome here.
Hooray.
Yeah, the premium top end.
How much do they cost when you have to buy them?
I love you.
7,100.
My voice sound crappy now?
No.
And DVR probably won't pay that much, but we're gonna get the best that we can. But even if we were with the mid-level right now in this environment, you would still be hearing. But these, the way these process sound, it just gives such a natural, crisp, clear sound quality. You can hear all the sounds that you need to hear.
They're $7,000.
You can hear everything. My voice even sounds different.
Yeah, 'cause even with this, you're not hearing your own voice as it really is. It'll sound different right now. Within wearing them after a very short amount of time, you won't even notice that. Your voice will sound really normal to you. But we don't know how long you've been living with this.
Yeah.
So,
I mean, that's why you had your lisp.
I don't have a lisp.
I've never noticed a lisp.
Really? I noticed a lisp.
What's the lisp?
When she gets really excited, she gets giddy, and there's a little lisp.
Oh, I've never noticed. Huh.
This is weird. This is really weird.
it is good. It's a good weird.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Did she get to borrow these?
No. This is my only set of demos I have in the office right now, so they stay here.
So, who will give her a loan repair? They will?
So once you go through DVR and they say, yes, we're going to buy hearing aids and we'll pay this much, then come back here and then we'll order them in and put them on you.
Okay.
This is different.
Yeah.
I feel like my voice is like a microphone.
That's only a temporary thing. Just temporarily change the balance in your own brain. Because your voice is now coming out, going into your microphones and back into your head.
But everyone else, like, I can hear everyone normally.
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
It's weird.
It's just a temporary thing.
Say something.
Love you. Happy Halloween. Thank God for your hearing aids.
So, I mean, now you know what the difference can be once you get to that place.
It's a lot different.
Yeah.
Hmm.
Most people, once they get their hearing aids, say, one, didn't realize how much they were missing. Two, how much energy they were putting into trying to follow a conversation.
Yeah, I was just reading that.
Yeah, your brain has to work a lot harder to follow a conversation when you're not hearing everything as you need to.
Mm-hmm.
That's exhausting.
Yeah. I can believe it. The brain does everything.
It does.
So, what are these hearing aids called?
They're Oticon Open.
Can you write that down for
I'll give you a
us?
brochure on this.
Oh, okay. So we can see what they think when we go up there?
Yeah.
Smile for the camera, Mom.
Turn that thing off. Okay.
That's what it is.
So, as I was saying, I'm going to turn on. It's going to be very, very soft. She's probably not going to notice it or react at first. I'm gradually going to turn up very, very slowly. I don't want to have any adverse reactions. I don't want her to not like the way it sounds, so we're going to do things very slowly and gradually. Okay?
Okay. Is that on? Katie? Can't hear you yet. Katie? I heard you. Katie, I love you. I heard you.
Hello, darling.
That sounds so weird.
Really?
Who said that? Who said that?
I did. I did.
Are you okay? How does it feel?
I'm fine.
Can you hear the difference of my voice and Ellen's voice?
And my voice?
Wait, she understands what you're saying?
Yeah.
Oh.
I think she's reading lips. too.
She's saying she could hear all their voices. When I said yeah, I was just voicing for her answer for yeah, she could hear their voices, but not for what they were saying.
Oh, okay.
You okay?
Is it too much?
This is weird.
Okay.
Just ask a question. Right now, is the sound too much? A little bit too much.
Is it too loud or just a little overwhelming?
I don't know. I honestly don't know if it's right. It seems like it's a little bit loud.
Okay.
I don't know. I'm not sure if it is or not. I can hear you.
Good.
You guys can talk.
Okay. So what do you think? What do you think?
I will say, how loud is my voice?
Okay. So
Go ahead and turn off the hearing aid.
oh yeah. Please, I want to be on the
Oh,
video.
I'm good. I will be on it in a minute. I'll be, I'm sure I will pop back in
Yeah,
there.
she'll pop out. All right. Are you ready?
Yeah, I'm always ready.
Okay. Sunny. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How loud is my voice?
That is so weird. Is it activated?
How loud?
It's uncomfortable.
Uncomfortable?
My voice is uncomfortable. Your voice is uncomfortable.
Is it too loud?
It's not too loud. It's like medium loud.
Medium loud.
Yeah.
Okay.
I was expecting Mickey Mouse, but it feels like two metals clashing together or something.
Two metals clashing together. Tinny. I'm going to count again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
I'm so confused right now.
How loud is my voice?
Medium loud.
Medium loud. Okay. Tease. Okay. Again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How loud is my voice?
Medium loud.
Medium loud? Okay. Sure.
It's so like I'm not used to this. It's like It's not even Mickey Mouse.
What does it sound like? You said it sounds like metal.
Yeah, it's like, I'm so flustered.
Okay, that's recording. Okay, 1 second. I'll be right there. Okay. Okay. All right. Let's see what we can do.
So this time when I say go, they'll both be on together, okay? So do you want to watch his face?
Yeah.
And it's going to be on in 3, 2, 1, go.
Hi, buddy. Hi, Christopher. Hi, Christopher. Oh, it's okay, bud. You're okay. You're okay, buddy. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay, bud. Christopher. Hey, you come see me? Can you see me? It's okay. You're okay. This is us. It's okay.
I'll turn it down.
Hey, it's okay. It's okay. Here, come see me. It's okay. You're okay. You're okay. Here. It's okay. It's your boot. It's your boot. Want your boot? He wants his boot. Okay.